Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the best drones for video. I've ranked the top 5 that are crushing it right now. Let's get into it. Number 5. Potensic ATOM. A budget-friendly drone that punches above its weight class for beginners who need reliable aerial footage. If you're looking for solid video quality without emptying your wallet, this drone deserves your attention for its straightforward operation and dependable performance. With its 4K camera and solid stabilization, this drone delivers surprisingly good footage that makes your content look professional. The intuitive controls make flying easy, even for first-time pilots, while the compact folding design fits easily in a backpack for travel. What sets it apart is the GPS-assisted flight that keeps the drone stable in windy conditions and prevents flyaways that scare new pilots. The return to home feature brings it back automatically, while the extended flight time gives you plenty of recording opportunity per battery. Where it shines. Great value for money, beginner-friendly controls, reliable GPS features, and compact portability. Where it falls short. Camera quality isn't professional grade, and the obstacle avoidance is basic compared to premium drones. Who's it for? Perfect for beginners, casual videographers, or anyone wanting affordable aerial footage without complicated features. Bottom line, the Potensic ATOM 2 strikes a solid balance between video quality and affordability. If you want dependable aerial footage with easy operation, this drone is a smart entry point. Number 4. FIMI Mini 3. A refined, lightweight drone that blends proven video quality with smart portability. Perfect for travelers who need serious footage capability without carrying heavy equipment. This isn't just another mini drone, it's a thoughtful design that delivers enhanced image quality. Thanks to the improved camera sensor and advanced gimbal stabilization, you get excellent footage quality that handles everything from landscapes to action shots with impressive clarity. Whether you're documenting travels or creating content, this drone provides consistently smooth results. The drone's enhanced flight modes provide creative shooting options, including tracking shots and automated flight paths. The compact folding design changes the game for portability, fitting easily into small bags, while the extended range keeps you connected during ambitious shots. What really sets this apart is the refined balance of features and portability that doesn't sacrifice video quality for compact size. You get professional-looking footage while maintaining backpack-friendly dimensions. Who's it for? Perfect for travel vloggers, content creators, or anyone needing quality aerial footage with maximum portability. Bottom line, the FIMI Mini 3 isn't just portable, it's refined and capable enough to satisfy creators who need both quality and convenience. If you want serious video capability that travels easily, this one checks all the boxes. Number 3. Ruko U11MINI 4K. An innovative mini drone built for videographers who want excellent footage without flagship pricing. If you're tired of drones that compromise on camera quality, this one changes the game. With its advanced camera system and comprehensive features, it's designed to deliver impressive video. What sets it apart is the high-quality 4K camera combined with effective stabilization that provides smooth, cinematic footage. You get excellent detail reproduction with good color accuracy that makes your videos look polished and professional right out of the camera. The build quality is solid and dependable. The advanced flight features include intelligent tracking modes, while the reliable GPS provides stable hovering. You'll find the drone excels at both planned shots and spontaneous filming. One of the standout features is how the drone handles different shooting scenarios with consistent quality. The multiple flight modes adapt to your needs, while the intuitive app interface makes controlling the camera setting straightforward during flight. Who's it for? This drone is perfect for aspiring videographers, hobbyists, or anyone wanting quality aerial video with comprehensive features at reasonable pricing. Bottom line, the Ruko U11MINI 4K isn't just another budget drone, it's a capable video tool that delivers quality results. If you want excellent 4K footage with reliable features, this model absolutely deserves its spot in the top 3. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest drone reviews are coming your way. And no need to dig around, I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2. Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3. A professional-grade drone that's taken a big step forward in image quality and flight performance. What sets the EVO 2 Pro V3 apart is its excellent balance of camera capabilities and intelligent features, giving you serious videography tools. Unlike basic drones that struggle with low light or premium models that overcomplicate operation, Autel's EVO 2 Pro V3 delivers impressive video quality with the large sensor that captures beautiful footage in various lighting conditions. The drone rewards users with cinematic results. One of the standout features is the advanced obstacle avoidance system that provides confidence during complex shots, while the extended flight time allows for comprehensive shooting sessions. The professional camera delivers stunning detail and dynamic range. The EVO 2 Pro V3 includes proven auto reliability with quality construction that handles demanding production scenarios. You get comprehensive flight modes with professional controls, while the robust build quality ensures dependable operation. Who's it for? Perfect for professional videographers, serious content creators, or anyone wanting premium aerial footage with advanced features. Bottom line, the Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3 redefines professional drone videography. With excellent image quality and advanced features, it's one of the most capable options for serious video work. And finally, my number one pick, HOVERAir X1 PROMAX, a next-generation drone that combines innovative design, cutting-edge features, and professional video quality into one complete package. Whether you're creating professional content or want the most advanced drone available, this model delivers exceptional performance. What sets the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX apart is its incredible autonomous flight capabilities that achieve professional shots without complex piloting. Unlike traditional drones requiring manual control, the X1 PROMAX provides consistently excellent footage with intelligent tracking and automated movements. Smart engineering is built right in. The drone's advanced AI handles framing and movement smoothly, while the professional camera captures stunning footage. Whether you're filming action sports or creating vlogs, the drone responds exactly as expected. The refined construction reaches its peak with premium materials and proven engineering. Build quality is absolutely dependable with comprehensive features including intelligent subject tracking and multiple shooting modes that handle any creative challenge. The complete design includes everything a creator needs, while the versatile performance makes it suitable for any video application. The drone works equally well for social media content and professional productions. Who's it for? Ideal for content creators wanting the best autonomous drone experience with professional quality and advanced AI features. Bottom line, the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is the total package. With outstanding AI capabilities and professional video quality, it's the ultimate drone for anyone refusing to settle for average aerial footage. And that's my countdown of the best drones for video. If you found your perfect match, links are in the description. Drop your favorite in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.